Now back to your regular program.
Engage.
Sabihin natin na gusto natin makita ang kanilang mga muka. Gusto nyo ba makita ang mga muka ng Jabberwockies?
Hello!
Okay! Woo!
Hi, hello!
Hindi kasi nakabaskara. Parang hindi yata pwede magsalita. Pwede?
Pwede ba namin? Can you see her?
Do you guys mind taking off your mask?
No. Guys, come on, can we see your face?
Do you guys mind taking off your mask? You guys
If they can.
Pwede.
Gusto nyo ba makita ang mukha ng Jabberwockies? Teka lang, meron sila.
May blocking sila,
May meeting na sila. Pag-uusapan nila kung pwede ba?
At saka kauna-una, pagkakataon lamang yata, makikita mukha nila pare-pareho. Sabay-sabay.
Ready?
Ito na.
Set! Go!
Dito lang yan!
Okay. Sino gusto mag-promote? Aliga. Can you understand Tagalog? Aliga. Yan. Okay. Alam mo, napakaraming mga taong inspirado sa inyo, no? Ano ang gusto nyo sabihin dun sa mga, what do you want to tell all those who want to be like Jabberwockies someday?
Man, we just thank you guys for the love and support, you know what I'm saying? So, thanks for all the love, you know what I mean? And just keep going, and that's what we did. We stuck to our dreams, so hopefully you stick to your dreams. Salamat!
Napapanood lang natin sila sa YouTube, sa Amerika. Ngayon, live na live sa Showtime by Jabberwockies. Again, Jabberwockies, thank you. Thank you so much.
All the Filipinos proud.
Thank you
so much. Proud talaga to be a Pinoy. Okay, sa'yo magbalik ang winning group for the day. Malalaman natin yan sa pabalik ng Your Show.
Your time!
It's Showtime!